Is your job safe? The world of work is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept. It's here, transforming industries. But what if this disruption isn't a threat, but an incredible opportunity for you? Today, we'll explore powerful AI tools that can automate tasks and unlock new income streams. First, let's talk about AI writing automation. Imagine content created in minutes. Tools like OpenAI can generate articles, marketing copy, and even creative stories effortlessly. Next, AI design. Graphic design tasks are now simpler than ever before. Platforms like Canva leverage AI to help you create stunning visuals, logos, and presentations quickly. AI can also revolutionize your freelance career, automate service delivery and client management. On platforms like Fiverr, AI can optimize your workflows, helping you earn more efficiently. Consider AI video creation. Produce high-quality video content without extensive editing skills. AI can manage YouTube channels, automate production, and even generate scripts for you. Finally, AI workflow systems streamline your productivity and task management. Notion AI, for example, can organize, summarize, and automate your daily tasks, boosting efficiency. Embrace these AI tools, transform your career, and create new opportunities in this evolving landscape.